Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Let 'em Know. The song is Let 'em Know. The artist is T.I., and the choreography is TORION HARDEN. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Ready to the checker flag, right through the red light, clear, candy gun, it won't pull over till I'm dead, right to the sunrise, can't have no big time, ain't gon' get no ride with me in it, better know, west side loud on the big style, with Chris Shaw, I'm out of mind, better know, big, poppin' in them look, dropping bags, it's so lucky you to be a look, let them down, shit before it crowd on my lap, real dope boys in the trap, big guy, holler like a big shot. So much baby room for you, gotta let them know. I don't turn around so loud, lip box. Solitaires, all I do is big rocks. I came from Diddy Rock, all the way to hit shot. On the throne, then when I'm on, she can kick rock, let her know. My foot up on the gas. I'm blowing money fast. I'm on these haters out. I know these niggas mad, gotta let them know. Big dog, how we eat it bread. I ain't never seen big flex on it. Yeah, what I'm standing on, getting it. Big chick, we done did that. Push your wig back, better give me respect. That's some more. And let them know I was getting show for a grand sum. I was selling grand around camera till the house go. Lights, we can tell what you need a camera for. Sitting here to hit me for telephone. Let them know. And call it ballin', we just call it this. They say you need to die by your decision. Well, I'ma push it to the limit, never mind the consequences in the period. I'ma have a bigger better let them know. On another level, my ancestors put together, hit the dollar, do 200 everywhere I go. Let them never stay, get the show the game. On the throne, then when I'm on, she gon' keep roll, let her know. My foot up on the gas. I'm blowing money fast. I'm on these haters out. I know these niggas mad, gotta let them know. Skateboard P on the track. Louis duffel bag, hit the rack. Poppin' so announcements, I ain't got no country promo, like I still got a pocket full of crack. All they do is fight for number two, cause I'm the one. Still make it play with the one. All we know is success, hit her with some rich sex, good look in your back. She forever mine till I let her go. Let 'em know, let 'em know. 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 My foot up on the gas. I'm blowing money fast. I'm on these haters out. I know these niggas mad, gotta let 'em know.
And there you go. Let them know. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.